Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your TOSHIBA Dynabook Tecra to a TV. There are 3 methods of doing that and all of them have different use cases, so I'm going to try to explain all of them. And the first one is the most reliable one, which is connecting with a cable. And you can, on your laptop, you have 3 ports that support video output. Both 2 of them are Thunderbolt on the left side. Thunderbolt is just USB-C. The USB-C ports support the video output, but also there's the HDMI port next to them, so you can use either of those. And the other side of the cable just has to fit your TV. Most probably it'll be HDMI, but on some older TVs it may be VGA or DVI, and on some TVs built for gaming there may be the display port. So you just need to find a correct cable, and this is the main limitation of the cable method, that you need to have a cable and need to be close enough to the TV so the cable will reach your laptop. I'm gonna plug it in with a USB-C because I have an adapter to HDMI, but you could also directly connect it to the HDMI port. And as I connect it, I need to select the correct source on my TV, so just click on source button on your remote and it'll connect. And at first you can see that I have the same thing being displayed on both screens. So if I open a certain app, for instance the Microsoft Edge, then it opens on both devices. But you can switch it up, so both of these displays display different thing. Or, for example, only the TV is on and the laptop display is off. In order to do it, click on the Windows key on your keyboard and P combined. So just both keys, Windows and P. And it'll open the project window. In project, you can select either PC screen only, duplicate, extend, or second screen only. Let's set it to extend now. Now you can see that both displays display a different thing. And before I go to moving things between these displays, I'm also gonna click on more display settings, because here we'll see the arrangement of our displays. And now it is discovered as if the laptop screen was on the left side of the TV. So I can just drag it to move it down, then apply. And now as I have applied it, I can just move the window to that second display. And you can see that I have 2 different windows on 2 displays. And this is basically it with the first method. It's very good with the extend thing. It's very good if you want to, for example, watch a movie on your TV and at the same time work on anything on your laptop, so you can just have 2 different separate things set. Now let's get to the wireless connection methods, because there are gonna be 2 of them. The first one works natively and really works always, but I don't think it's quite too reliable. So it'll be great for some presentation or maybe for showing pictures to someone. And in order to use it, first of all, your TV has to support screen mirroring, and second of all, you need to be on the same network on both devices. So on your laptop and TV, they both need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and then you can click on Windows and K on your keyboard and it'll open the cast window. In the cast window, you'll see your available display if you're on the same networks and your TV supports it. Then on your TV, you may need to click on OK to allow it, and it'll be shared. And here you can also manage these displays as you were with a cable. So you can duplicate or extend them or do anything else by clicking on Windows and P. Although you may notice that there's a quite big latency. And that's because it's a wireless connection, so it's not great for watching movies or playing games. I wouldn't recommend that for that matter, because it just makes everything with the latency. So I would only use it for some static purposes, like I said, the presentations or pictures. And now let's get to the last method, which is mainly available in the Google Chrome. That's why I'm gonna get the Google Chrome app and get back to you in a moment. And now the Google Chrome is downloading, so I'm gonna talk about what this method is good for and how to use it. So first of all, you need to you can cast just videos from certain streaming platforms like the Netflix or Google Chrome, or just anything that from Netflix or YouTube or anything that supports it. And in order to use it, you also need to have the app of that streaming platform installed on your TV. So it has to be a smart TV and it has to support it, has to be on the same network as well. And then what it will do is just send a link, sort of a link to your TV, and your TV will play that video within its app. So if you're playing something from YouTube, it will play it in the YouTube app. If you're playing it from Netflix or Disney Plus, it will play it on the Netflix or Disney Plus app. So it has to be downloaded on the TV. And your laptop will work sort of as a remote, so you can add another video to the queue. You can pause it directly from the laptop or on your TV directly from the TV remote. And you can also fast forward or rewind using your laptop. So that's pretty great, especially when adding videos to the queue, so you don't have to exit that video on your TV in order to play another one. You can just select on your laptop the next video and play it like that. I'm gonna quickly set up the Google Chrome. And also I'll disconnect from the screen mirroring. And I'll go to YouTube. You can also use a different platform, but I don't think I have Netflix installed on the TV, so I'm just gonna get to the YouTube. And now as you select a video to play,
in front of me is clear.
You can now click on three dots in top right corner of your screen and select Cast, Save and Share. Then click on Cast. And if your TV is on the same network and has the app that you want to play it in, you will see it as available. Now I'm gonna confirm, since I'm signed out, and I'm gonna confirm that it won't have history saved. And as we can see, it is connected and it has started playing right now. You can use your TV as a remote, of course, to pause it, for example, to select another video that you'll, for example, click on three dots and add to queue. Then you can, for example, skip the video to another one, and shortly it'll also start playing. And these are the three methods that I wanted to show you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.